Yeah, this is fucky.
All right, well, you're on camera now. I'm recording it, and we can edit out anything we want to afterwards. But
Well, I'm just cleaning out all this old noodle out of here.
that's what she said.
She did. She said it.
Couldn't you do that like as soon as you're done using it instead of doing it the next time?
No, because you're supposed to wait for it to fucking dry and then get it out. It doesn't. When you put it through, it's all wet, so it just sticks together and gets compact in it. All right. So now. I'm going to throw this into the defroster for a little while, probably like 5 minutes. Oh, that's a turbo defrost. I don't know how long I want. Oh, that's.
You ever used a microwave before?
It does it by the pound. Not.
Yeah, that's how most of them work.
Yeah, nah. Every other
On the
microwave I've
defrost.
ever used, time defrost is just select the time you want to do it and do it.
You didn't use time defrost. You used weight defrost.
No, there's no time defrost. It's just inverto turbo defrost. That's what it says.
I don't know what to tell you.
Nothing.
Ooh, you get to use the super boil function of your stove.
Oh, a power boil?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright. We need eggs. That's the first thing we need. Second. Flour.
It's a lot of flour.
Yeah, we're not going to use it all.
I would hope not.
We need. It's 3 to 4 cups of flour, depending on what you want to use. I mean.
Based off of what? How gooey your noodles are?
Well, no, based on how many eggs you're using. So.
Could you say 1.5 cups of flour per egg or what?
No, it's like 3 eggs to 4 cups of flour.
Ah.
It's about that. I'm pulling it up right now. It's a lot easier with this.
This isn't a magical house recipe. This is out of a book.
Well, it's hella old fucking family book. It's got.
With handwritten notes in it.
Oh
right?
yeah, Oh wow, pulled it right open to the fucking pasta.
Should have just did that the first time.
Right. 3
See,
eggs.
and you know what's great about that? That was on video.
Yep. 3 eggs to 3 to 4 cups of flour. First things first.
So, a cup per egg.
Well, yeah, about give or take. I mean, depends on how your dough turns out. Like you can add more, use less.
Professional egg cracker here.
Yeah. Let me.
My egg cracking skills are not amazing.
I'm pretty good at it. I don't think I got a single shell in there. Alrighty, I'm going to need.
I don't think so. It's pretty
this olive oil and suppose this whisk will work, but any whisk.
It's
will
adorable.
do. You want to whisk your eggs together.
Before you put the flour in?
Yeah, before you put the flour in.
I suppose that's easier.
And then after your eggs are all whisked together, you want to put about 1
Add
cup
salt and pepper and then scramble them, right?
Yeah, exactly. No, you want to add about 1 cup of flour at a time to the eggs, and then work that flour in with the eggs.
Yeah, too much, and it's kind of hard to get it out of there.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't. You add too much, it doesn't get all worked in the right way.
It probably gets clumpy then.
Add 1 cup of flour. Alright, and now we need... And now after the first cup of flour we're going to add...
You know, for how nice your kitchen is, I'm surprised you don't have an automatic beater thingy.
We do, but it's not...
It's not as fun.
Well, no, like after like the second or third cup of flour, we're not going to use the whisk because it gets too stuck in the whisk. And you're just going to work it together with your hands.
Ah.
Well, now we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. That's a teaspoon.
I'm surprised you're measuring with a teaspoon.
Suppose.
You just add a dash.
God damn it.
Give me that.
Kyle, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Mediterranean sea salt because I am a filthy fuck.
Number in there.
Alright.
Then play with it some more.
And then you just want to knead that dough together.
Ha, knead it. You should get your cat to help. He likes to knead things.
Back here.
Mm-hmm.
Harry's in the kitchen.
Yo, Kyle.
Harry's in the kitchen?
Oh, he's in the living room.
Oh.
Harry.
You want to add some flour to this for me, Kyle?
Do I want to add flour?
Yeah,
How much?
a cup. I got a cup in there.
An entire cup?
Yeah, it's just my fingers.
There's a trick involving putting something on your hands so what you're having an issue with right now doesn't happen.
No, it's like, yeah, but...
I forget what the trick is, though. I've never heard of it.
Well, the more flour you add, the less it's going to do that. And then, like,
Maybe the trick is flour on your hands.
If you've added too much, like, flour, you can add some water, and it'll be fine. So now we're gonna add just a little bit of water.
Fun trick with eggs. I coat ours in mineral oil. Then it lasts for like... I'm going to use the sink in a minute anyways, but thank you. Coat your eggs in mineral oil and they last for 6 months.
Done with the flour. And just a little bit of water so we can get the rest of that flour and dough together.
Looks like one big dough ball.
Yep. We're gonna end up just...
We should cook that.
That's not how
A
that's
giant dough ball. And then you punch a hole in the middle of it and fill it with the sauce. Then you have a pasta bowl, right?
Yeah. I mean, you could pretty much do whatever you want with this. This doesn't have to be spaghetti. This could be like lasagna.
Or fettuccine.
Or fettuccine. Or any kind of pasta you want to make.
This says manicotti.
Zuccotti manicotti.
I never heard of manicani.
Manicotti?
Never heard of it.
No?
Mm-mm.
They're noodles that are about that big around,
Ooh.
and they're about that long.
What's a manicani?
You usually stuff them.
Manicani's a giant noodle.
And here
Yep.
we have
You usually stuff
about our finalized
Oh,
dough
and they're
ball.
like this. Yeah.
So now
I
the
didn't know
next
that was what
thing
they're
we
called.
do...
It's a nice dough
Kyle.
ball you have there. This noodle maker is just like cheating.
Oh, is it?
Because you could roll it out on a flat surface and just cut it.
Yeah, you could, but that's not nearly as fun.
Like I said, cheating.
So first things first is we want to flatten our dough. So you want to take about a chunk. Yeah, that's perfect. That's about the way you want your dough to look. It's not dry. It's
Crumbling
it's
apart.
wet. Like,
It's wet and sticky, not
works.
falling apart.
yeah. So
It looks
we have
like
it
dough.
on one. So we're gonna run it through this a couple times.
A small part of me hopes your finger gets caught in there.
That's not how that works.
Not with that attitude.
And your dough will look like this for the first couple times you put it through.
Like trash?
Yeah, it would look like shit.
Huh.
And you just, you fold it up. And you'll put it through again. You'll just keep doing that. Alright, that's getting much easier to put through.
Like you can feel the difference?
Yeah.
Huh. It looks like a lasagna noodle.
Well, that's because it technically is a lasagna noodle. Alright. That's...
One more time.
No, that's fine.
Ah.
We're going to put that one up there. And now we're going to do the rest of these. That one time is enough. We can cut forward to when we're actually...
Right, but what if something interesting happens? That's the main thing. Like, I don't know, your finger getting stuck in it?
Ah!
That's what I want to happen. It looks close right there. Huh. Well then, I guess we don't need to record. I think that's about as interesting as something that could happen.
Alrighty, that. One more time.
That's what she said.
Well, as a matter of fact, she did.
Maybe to your cat.
Yeah, definitely to the cat.
I don't know where he went.
He's off doing cat things.
He's plotting Tim's demise.
That too. That's a cat thing. It's like the definition of cat things.
That's a good looking noodle.
Is that on 2?
Yeah, that was on 2.
Is it okay that they overlap?
Yeah, it's fine. They might stick together a little bit, but I mean, they're fine.
So do you have to let them dry like that, or do you?
No, that's not how. No, we're gonna cut them, and then we're not really gonna let them dry. We're gonna start the sauce.
That's what I was Googling that because Tim thought you had to dry them because he's always dried them. According to Google, you could cook them right away if you want. Which makes sense to me because once you throw them in there, they get all floppy anyways when you're cooking other noodles.
Also, the less dough you do, the easier it will be to flatten them into sheets of noodles. So
I have to check my video editing software to see if I can do the high speed version where it just speeds it up.
yeah,
And we could fast forward the cranking process and whatnot.
No need. Goes pretty fast already. Well, at least for me, anyway.
Your cranking process goes pretty quick, Kyle.
Damn right it does.
Kyle, one pump chump for nothing.
That's fine.
It's 2?
Leave that
Thank you.
there.
2-stroke?
2-stroke.
Or like a half stroke.
More like a 4-stroke man myself.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I like the sound of a 2-stroke.
Put this through there.
Woo, look at that. Neato.
Give me this.
It's coming out as noodles. Cool.
Oh, they're really sticky. What the fuck?
Damn sticky noodles. Tell ya, it's inconvenient. Now, would that be theoretically more flour or less egg?
It would be more flour. I think you would need. But that's fine. Kyle, here, hold that end.
Hold his noodle.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, now crank that noodle. Fucking noodle cranker.
Ooh, did it break? Breaking it?
Kyle, you're pulling
Don't
it.
break it. Don't break the noodle musher. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Have you done this before?
No.
Yeah, I can tell.
It's first time. It's his first time. Be gentle.
I've made noodles before.
Those are very stringy. Ah, they look so cool.
Here. Let me grab these. You can still throw this stuff in with the rest of it. These noodles are still good. Throw them in just like that. So I get to record the video of you guys cleaning up, right?
But you gotta clean up. Looks fine.
Talking about after we eat.
You have a dishwasher. And a cat.
Cat, I think you're thinking of a dog.
Well, I mean, depends how you raise the cat.
That-
Demon ate whatever I fed him.
Yeah, well, Demon wasn't a cat, he was a demon.
Sometimes. Most of the time he was a cat. Looking for a warm place to sit his butt.
And there we go.
So, when those would normally dry, they kind of separate, or does it stay as one
Well,
big
no,
gooey,
it
lumpy
would
noodle?
just like it would be like crunchy. Like these would break apart. These noodles.
But when you go to cook them, they should separate better?
Yeah, they should. When you throw them in the pot to boil, they separate just fine.
Because it looks like one big funny looking noodle.
Yeah, well, it's not. See, they are separate noodles.
Gotcha. Just if they were too gooey, then you might have that issue.
Yeah.
I want to touch one. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I broke one. Oh god, I'm done touching.
All right. Well, we are done making the noodles.
Yay.
Kyle, you get to clean up.
That only took a half hour. That was like exactly how long you said it would take.
Yeah. God damn it. Why is right loose?
Because it's upside down.
It's lies. Alright.
Dishes. That thing is kind of neat.
Yeah, I like it.
This chair is so
It's
uncomfortable.
definitely a convenient little tool.
The sink is fucking sweet though.
Yeah.
Dangly thing.
That shit soaking. Alright.
You know, soaking dishes is what a lazy person does to get out of doing dishes right away.
Yeah, well, I gotta cook still.
Huh?
Yeah, we gotta make the sauce.
Oh no.
So, first things first when it comes to the sauce, is you gotta brown the meat first. What? What's so fucking funny, huh? Got a problem with browning meat?
Do you think that we could or should separate the video? Here's how you make your noodles, and here's how to make a sauce.
Yeah, we could do that. We could do a noodles and sauce video independently.